Hey guys, doing a bike check. Figured I might update it since I got some new parts today. Um, my birthday, so. Alright. I got Fit Tech grips. Love them. I'd suggest them. Hoder bars. 8.625 inch rise. They're pretty good. Sputnik headset. Don't know if you can see it. Got a stolen cherry frame. I rock it. I love it. It's just it. It's the smoothest frame I've ever ridden. Mighty Fresh sticker. Supercross Pro SLT forks. Salt AM Pro front rim wheel. United Direct 2.3. Salt cranks. I don't know. Got them off my cousin's We the People. Odyssey MDS sprocket. Stolen bottom bracket. Stolen Thermalite pedals. Shadow interlock chain. Alienation PBR back rim laced to a Shadow Raptor hub with Primo spokes. Fit FAF 20 by 2.3 white wall tire. They're pretty good. I should have got the 2.25 and put it in the front because they're the same, but chunkier, lasts longer. Alias seat and stolen Thermalite seat post. And that's my bike check.